Have a friend with a ton of food allergies that's desperate for a sweet treat that's easy to make? These banana chocolate chip oatmeal cookies are so phenomenal. All you're gonna focus on is the deliciousness in every bite. Here's how you make them. In a food processor or standing mixer, place 3 bananas, 2 cups of old-fashioned oats, 1 cup pitted and chopped dried dates, a 1/4 cup of oil, a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, walnuts, or raisins. If you use chocolate chips and need them to be dairy-free, make sure you buy vegan chocolate chips. You're gonna mix everything until the bananas are in tiny, tiny pieces and nice and soft, and everything is moist and combined. Now you're gonna use a spoon or a small ice cream scooper, and on a baking sheet lined with a silk pad or parchment, you're gonna place the cookies. Pat them down gently just to make sure that they're completely even. Because there's no egg in them, they're not gonna spread out at all. So the shape that you place them in is the shape that they're gonna be finally cooked as. Bake the cookies in a 350-degree oven for about 20 or 25 minutes until they just start to get golden and dried out on the top. When they come out of the oven, they look like this. They're nice and tender with a bite of chocolate and that nice piece of oatmeal. What do you think? You don't have to have allergies, but they are egg, dairy, and gluten-free. If you have any allergies, I'd love for you to tell me in the comments below. For more fast, fresh, and easy recipes like this and more, check out Weelicious.com. Don't forget to subscribe, and also leave a comment below telling me if you have any specialty allergy-free tips. I want to know them, right?